you want to walk into town, get something to eat?
Oh no. Can you see my foot?
Are you freezing?
Yeah, my toes is freezing cold.
I've got some Wellingtons in there.
Oh, you want me to walk Wellingtons on this?
Well, finish up your outfit.
I don't think so, hon.
The Wellingtons will come out. I think you've got 65 boots on that. The Wellingtons will come up to about here.
Well, I guess we better just put mud everywhere in the volley boots then. It's not really that obvious.
No.
Well, you don't have to ask anymore where you've been.
You don't. You do mud.
And then when you arrive there eating, you're just like, hey mate,
Hey mate, you been in the
oh, where you been? Are you alright? Yeah, we've been fishing. Thank you so much everyone. Sino yung kanina? Si Geraldine. Ah. Yeah. I will bring that in a minute. I'm gonna finish on. In 10 minutes, I'll follow. You, yeah. You're gonna get the one. Now let me finish. 10 minutes, hon. 10 minutes. Geraldine. I'm gonna look for Geraldine. Nasa yung pangalan ni Geraldine? Yung iba kasi memorize ko na mga pangalan. Itong si Geraldine baka malimutan ko. Sino si Geraldine? I like to live on my dreams. Geraldine Life Channel pala. Geraldine Life Channel. Salamat sa lahat. Thank you so much guys. Sir Tony, thank you so much sir. Tony, salamat. Ate Raisa, salamat sis. Marlon, salamat. Kuya Josh, salamat Kuya Josh. Sis Marit, thank you so much sis. Ate Raisa, Dailina, thank you guys. Si Sinakab, salamat si Sinakab. Geraldine, salamat. Marlon, salamat. Welcome Mami Miss. Ingat po kayo dyan. Thank you sir. Take kayo din po. Ingat po. Tingnan natin ang tubig. Mataas na. Yan. Mataas na ang tubig. Thank you so much everyone. Mag-end na ako guys. Asan ba yung para highlights? Tingnan ko. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat dyan guys. Ingat-ingat kayong lahat. Ingat-ingat. God bless everyone. Asan na yun? Hindi ko makita. Kuya Josh. Thank you so much Kuya Josh ha. Asan na yung para highlights?